Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can set up Visual Studio Code for development in ASP.NET Core, and then we will create a new Web API project. So first we need to install .NET Core SDK. So I will search .NET Core and select this first Microsoft.com link and then click on this download button. I'm going to install this on a Windows computer. Other options are also available for Linux, macOS and Docker. So we need the SDK. So I will click on this download.NET SDK button and it will start downloading. Done. Then I will open this file and click on this install button. It will take some time. And it has been installed, and then close. So now the SDK has been installed in our computer. Next thing we will do, we will create a new project using this .NET SDK. So I will go to my D drive and I have created a folder projects, and here I will open the terminal window, the PowerShell window, by pressing Shift key and then right click and open in Windows terminal. So there are many templates available to start with. We can see the list by using this command. So the command is not working. I think I need to restart my computer. So let's restart the computer. After restarting the computer, let's try again. So I will go to my project directory and then .NET new. It will show the list of all the templates available. Here you can see a long list of templates that are available with the ASP.NET Core 6.0. So here I'm going to create a ASP.NET Core Web API. In the next video I will tell you more about Web APIs. So first let's create a new project. Then the command is .NET new Web API, and output directory will be, I will call my app as billing app, or I can call it as invoice app. It will be a simple application for generating invoices. So invoice app and then enter. Next close this terminal window, and here we can see a folder invoice app. We will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Open with code. Next we can install an extension for C#. I will pick this one which is provided by Microsoft and install. installed. Next we will open a terminal window here, and then we will put this command .net watch and then enter. Go to this advanced button and continue to localhost. Here we can see Swagger UI with one demo API. We can try this demo API using this try out button and then execute. And here we get some response data. So it is just a demo API. We can delete it and create our own APIs. In the next video we will create some APIs, and that is for all for this video. Thank you.